Alright, hello, good afternoon students. My name is Miss Lopez. I will be your teacher for this school year. Good afternoon parents. I do apologize that we won't be able to be doing an in-person open house, but this is one of my slides that I will be going through with you guys today. Okay. So teacher introduction, this is me. I am so excited to have you in my classroom. I honestly cannot wait to meet you. This is the North Georgetown Elementary School. My room is 105 and I am in the 4th grade teacher. I went to Technical Community College and graduated with my bachelor's degree in elementary education. The contact information that I will be using will be talking points. It's kind of like class dojo, but talking points is more like where especially for parents who don't speak English, they can text me there and I will be able to see it. You don't need a translator because it translated for you automatically. This is my school number, and then this is my email. So a little bit of my background is that I love spending time with my family. I am like the oldest out of 5, so here is my family. These are my parents. This is my daughter Kaylani. She is very spoiled. I love her so much, and this is my boyfriend as well. During my fun time, I do enjoy baking and I love selling treats. So this is kind of the treats that I like to sell. Something that I enjoy doing on my free time. I enjoy spending time with my family. We're very family oriented. Yeah. Can't wait to meet your family. So for classroom layout, this is what I have here. I have basically a visual form of how my classroom would be. So I would incorporate students here with their assigned seats here, no more than 4 to 6 kids at the same time. I don't want a big group either. My desk will be over here. I will have a kidney table over here, so when we do small groups and I pull them over here. Over here is a smart board. Over here is our library corner. Students are more than welcome to be reading books. We will be doing a lot of that this school year. And here is the technology area where we will be, students have access to the technology. In these 2 areas here are our cubbies. So our cubbies will be there. And then in here I have the school supply list. If you haven't done so already, this is a supply list that will be available before the materials that students will need before the school year. And then classroom climate. So every morning students will look at this. This is our morning routine. So here will be a to-do list. They have to unpack, do their homework. They can't eat breakfast during classroom. So after they're done breakfast, they have to be prepared before the announcements ring. This is a positive environment classroom. I will have today's lunch, what specials they will be going on the first day, and then the today's day. And then I also like to implement a fun question that I will start every morning. So we can start our day by talking about something other than school. So this one question would be, how could rain food and what food would you like to rain? And then these are the voice levels here. I will be doing that a lot. So majority of the time, if I'm up on the board or I'm presenting, the noise level should be 0. And then if someone wants to talk, they use their normal voice, but everybody else's is 0 for respect. And I am a bilingual speaker, so I will be implementing Spanish in my classroom. That is really important for me. I will be having labels all across the classroom, like the clock is el reloj, table es la mesa. I will be doing that a lot. I will have everything for the month, days of the week, today's date, the greetings and colors. Like greetings would be like, hello, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? I will be sharing, personal traditions from home, and this is good for me to teach the kids in class and for me to learn about kids in class and what their traditions are at home as well. So classroom climate as well is I will have reward system, so I will be doing a class cash. So students will be rewarded for participating, being on task, following instructions, and they can get rewarded for helping others, getting good grades on formatives, and if you score above an 80 on big exams, projects or anything like that, you will be getting $10, which is a class cash. And then you get rewarded in toys or fruit snacks or drinks, but the fruit snacks and drinks will be higher cash value. So students can save up. They can even save up as much as they want, and the reward can be like it can be like $25 if you would like to sit at the teacher's desk all day or do something like that. And then calm down area is an area where students can go and calm down when they need assistance with their emotional needs. I know sometimes school is stressful or things are going on at home, and sometimes kids don't know how to express themselves yet, so students can go to the calm down area. There will be breathing count, think of a happy place, draw a picture, hug a pillow, squeeze a stress ball, or write a story about what happened, what's going on that you're not telling us, or you don't want nobody to know, It's safe with me, but students will be there for a little bit, and once they're ready to come, they can come back to classroom and focused and refreshed. I will be communicating with the families a lot every week, so this is an example that I would be using. I would have I would be having each subject and what we did for the week, important dates, notes from the teacher, like reminders, simple reminders, weekly homework, and birthdays. And then my contact information will be down there if you ever want to reach me. And then there will be a lot of invitations to parents into the communities about parent night and community night. There's so many fun activities, especially when it comes to PTO. You are more likely than welcome to come with your family. You get to talk and share about experiences, and you get to meet other families, and it's a good time to spend time with your kids. It's a bonding time during school or outside of school. And then this is the schedule that students will be having. It will go on their folder that they will take home every day and bring back to school. In their folder, it will be a take home or bring back to school, which means that if homework goes there, but this will always be the daily schedule will always be there. So you as parents get to know their routine, what they're doing. And then in the bottom is my contact information. This is a school number if you don't already know. Talking points, my email is right here. You are more likely than welcome, and set up a meeting as well. I'm more likely welcome to have that. And that is all. If you have any questions, feel free. I will be here. Para mis padres que están en español, lo que yo repasé fue que en la clase yo fui a Deltec y saqué mi certificado en maestra. Esta es mi familia, este es mi marido con mi hija, y esto es lo que me gusta hacer. Me gusta estar en la cocina. Esto es lo que necesitas. La lista para lo que necesitan sus hijos para traer el primer día de clases. Este es como cómo se ve mi clase. Aquí en las mañanas va a haber una rutina que los niños van a tener que saber. Voy a preguntar una pregunta cada día. Es algo como divertido para hacer con los niños en las mañanas. Esto va a ser los niveles de de la voz de los estudiantes que tienen que tener. 0 significa no hablar y en 5 significa cuando están usando su voz afuera. Entonces, la mayoría de las veces cuando yo voy a estar enseñando, los niños, sus voces tienen que estar a 0, porque tienen que escuchar de lo que yo estoy hablando. Por menos si están trabajando en grupo o necesitan que usar sus voces regulares, va a ser 2 o 3. Como yo soy bilingüe, yo voy a enseñar a los niños español. Lo voy a implementar en mi clase todos los días diario. El español siempre va a estar. Calm Down Area es un lugar donde los niños a veces se sienten bien emocionados o necesitan el tiempo para pensar. Entonces los niños se van a ir a una esquina y ellos van a tener estos, y cuando ya regresen y nada más tienen 10 minutos. Entonces cuando ya están, van a venir otra vez y van a hacer lo que estaban haciendo. En mi clase yo tengo un reward system donde los niños van a recibir dinero si se están portando bien, están escuchando, están haciendo lo que necesitan que hacer, y en exámenes pueden obtener $10. Los niños pueden gastar el dinero en sabritas, jugo, agua, juguetes. Los juguetes son un poquito más baratos, pero la comida va a ser más caro. Los niños pueden ahorrar el dinero. Es dinero de mentiras, o es dinero que van a obtener en la clase. Aquí es lo que voy a mandar con cada viernes con tus hijos. Es algo que van a tener que ver, qué es lo que hicieron en la semana y cómo les fue. Aquí en este es Parent Night. Yo voy a andar mandando hojas cada vez que hay eventos en la escuela o en la comunidad. Ustedes son bienvenidos de ir, es gratis. Pueden compartir en familia o pueden compartir otras con otros familiares y avisar sus experiencias. Aquí va a ser los niños van a obtener esta hoja en sus folders. El folder se trae y se regresa a la escuela todos los días. Ahí van a ir tareas, van a ir hojas muy importantes. Entonces, por favor, revisar las mochilas todos los días. Esto va a ser, se tiene que quedar en el folder. Va a ser su schedule del diario, lo que hacen a tal hora, y es muy importante porque también padres pueden saber de esto. Aquí está mi número mi correo electrónico donde me pueden comunicar. Aquí está el número de la escuela por si necesitan hablar conmigo, y yo voy a usar Talking Points. Es una aplicación que ustedes pueden bajar en el teléfono y pueden comunicarse conmigo. Muchas gracias. Si necesitan preguntas, ojalá que ustedes comuniquen y estoy emocionada de verlos. I'm very excited. I know this will be a great school year, and thank you so much.